Hi, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view hidden photos on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to the channel. So if you don't know how to view it, first you need to have hidden images. So if you want to hide an image, let's just go here, let's click on an image, top right, and I can hide. Now that this image is hidden, if I go back to albums, scroll down, you will see hidden, and we will see the hidden photo I just hid. If you want to unhide it, just click on the top right and unhide. And to make sure that you even have this option on, go to settings, then go to photos, here, bang, and make sure that show hidden album is turned on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.